what's in here?
I wonder what's in there.
Yay!
It's an alligator in there.
Huh? No alligator. You see what's in it? Huh?
Ah,
It's an alligator. Jeez, Melanie, you just ripped the box open.
oh my goodness, let me see.
Open them up and let's look at them.
Wow, that's
That's
beautiful.
pretty.
Oh, that's really pretty.
I love
Don't just
it.
throw it in the floor. Come on. We
I
want to
love it,
see.
Mel. Black pants.
Can I
Hold
see
up the
your
shirt.
baby?
Hold up the shirt. We haven't seen it. Stop throwing it in the floor.
Let mommy
Another
say.
day you can wear those.
I think I'll steal that from you too.
Look it.
It's so cute.
It's
I
beautiful.
can wear that to work. It's pretty.
Huh?
Can I wear that to work?
You too big for this too.